Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the Like WT friends. Hope you are fine. Today we are going to make this beautiful animated social icon. You can see on the screen how beautiful is looking. So if we click on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram, so each and every button have its own social link. We can build and use this icon in our website. Okay, in this lecture we use fontawesome and animista.net. Okay, so friend, this is my VS Code. In VS Code we have 3 files. So we make this icon only HTML and CSS, not JavaScript. Okay, so this is HTML. Okay, title social icon. Okay, and we have to, this is CDN. We use font awesome CDN. Okay, and we also link CSS. Okay, this is our CSS, or this is our icon. So first of all we have to take container. This is container. In container we have bounce. Okay, bounce class. In bounce class a dot icon box. Okay, in icon box we have now we copy first Facebook and paste, copy and paste 3 times. Okay, total is 4 times. Facebook, Twitter, okay, sorry, Twitter and YouTube and Instagram. Okay, so initially it's look like this. Okay, now we have to provide Facebook. Okay, Facebook. Okay, just give me a second. Copy and paste URL here and target blank. Okay, when I click on Facebook again, it will open Facebook on another tab. Okay, see, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Give me a second. YouTube, just youtube.com. Okay, now just copy, first copy and paste here Twitter and target blank. Okay, then Instagram, sorry, this is our Instagram and target blank. Okay, now it's time to YouTube. This is our YouTube and target and blank. Okay, Initially our icon look like this. Okay, now it's time to move CSS. First, it's a universal selector, padding 0. If you notice, there is margin between screen and icon. We have to remove this. Okay, now you can see each and everything top left corner. Okay, now it's time to make container. This is our container. Okay, in container, first I give border. Okay, red. Now our container take full width but not take full height, so we have to give first full height 100 vh. Okay, you can see it take full height. In later we remove this border. Okay, now we want to make this icon in center of the screen, so we use display flex. Okay, now each and everything in row, justify content center, it take horizontally. Okay, and align item center. Okay, and gap to rem. Now it's time to give icon box. Bounce we use for animation. Okay, width 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. Okay, position relative. Okay, border radius 100%, bg white, and border 2 pixel dash. Okay, 2 pixel dash. Okay, F68031. I think something is wrong with it.
Okay, this. What is wrong with it? Second, third. Okay. Bounce. Why is it in? I think there is a problem. What is happening? Okay. This and this. Okay. Twitter, target, black.
Now it's look better. Okay, now it's time to give display flex. Okay, we have to this icon in center, so justify content center, align item center. Okay, and I think cursor is already, pointer is cursor. Okay, now box shadow is I think 0 pixel, 20 pixel, and okay. RGBA. Okay, 2 46 121 and 49, okay, and 0.54. Okay, now I think it's looking better. Text decoration, you see underline. Text decoration none. Okay, okay, now it's time to give icon 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 and icon and icon. So icon font size 1.5 rem and color we use this color. Okay, now it's time to move for animation. So animation we use 1 2 and 3. Bounce animation, okay, bounce bounce, top and 1s both, okay, both. We have to copy this, paste, paste and paste. 1 2 and 3. Now it's time to give keyframe, bounce top, okay, and first at 0%, 0%, transform, translate y-axis, okay, minus 45 pixel, and animation timing easy in. So we forget to 0% opacity 1, okay. Now just copy 24%, just remove and opacity 0, okay, and 40%, okay, just copy it and paste and give 24, okay. Just again copy and again paste, it's a 65, okay, 12, okay. Then it's time to give 82, minus 6, and 93, 93%, we use 4, okay. Now 25%, 55, 55%, and 75% and 87%. Okay, just copy, paste 0. Okay, and easy out. Okay, now again copy and again paste 100%, 0 and opacity 1. Okay, now it's looking better. You can see now it's time to give different time frames. Okay, 1.5, 1.4, no, this 2.7. okay, this is 1.5 and this is 1.7. Yes, 2. So friends, our now you can see I just remove this. Okay, when I click on Facebook, it redirect to Facebook profile. Okay, if I click on Twitter, it redirect to Twitter. Okay, if I click on YouTube, it redirect on YouTube, and if I click on Instagram, it's redirect to me on Instagram. Okay, so friends, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy and learn each and everything from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe